Hello everyone and welcome back to the Tech Peek, and in today's video we're going to have a PC haul video. So I've got 3 PCs, or actually 4, so I'm just going to jump right into this. It is a HP Pavilion with Bang & Olufsen sound and an i5. I put Linux Mint on it, the latest version, and it still runs okay. It's not the best of computers from like 2015 or something, so I'm sorry I didn't get to show you guys that one. The next one we have here, actually the next 2 we have here, are 2 Chromebooks. These are HP Chromebooks, Chromebook 11 G5s. These are the exact same thing, they're just different colors. These are also free, which was pretty nice. So this is the black one, and we have an Intel Inside processor, Energy Star, because it's just stock with Chromebooks now. We got that tiny Chromebook keyboard, and looky there, it's actually turning on. And basically, I do want to install Windows on these and remove all the stuff that keeps you from doing that. If you want to see a video on that, comment down below. It's kind of a project, but I can definitely do that. So as you can see, the other one real quick, we'll just take it and open it up for you. Yeah, I mean, it's just like this one, just a little bit different, just different colors. This one's gray, this one's black. So let's get on to the next PC. So here we are. This is a MacBook Pro that I've installed OpenCore Legacy Patcher. And in fact, if you actually want to see a video on this too, comment down below and I will try to get to it. So this has macOS 11 on it. This is a 2012 MacBook Pro that I paid $25 for. It's in very, very good condition. The only problem with it back here is that the hinge is kind of cracked in a lot of places, like especially right here. That's fine. I mean, it still works. It was a smoking deal for how much I paid for it. In fact, I went ahead and pulled up the About page. You can see, yeah, this is Big Sur 11.7.10. See, this is mid-2012 specifically, with a 13-inch screen, i5, dual core, 2.5 gigahertz, 8 gigs of RAM, Intel HD graphics, 4000 with 1.5 gigs of video RAM. If we go over to display, just 1280 by 800. Storage, just got plenty of storage, about 900 gigabyte SATA solid state drive, which is crazy. When I bought it, it actually had an SSD in it. It's nice. A little bit on the memory. 8 gigs, and apparently I've heard that these can hold actually 16 gigs of RAM, which I definitely want to get on and do an upgrade for that, because that's really cool. So yeah, that's the MacBook, and that's about all. One other thing I do want to show y'all, just for fun, is that I do have a iPod Nano here. Actually, no, I'm sorry, is this a Nano or is this a Shuffle? Okay, it's a Shuffle 2nd gen. So yeah, you got that very nice clicky sound. In fact, here it is. Weird charger. This does have a dent in it right here, which doesn't bother me that much though. So yeah, that's about all I've got for this video. I know it was pretty short, but thank you for watching, and also a huge thank you to the amount of views we got on that Windows 8.2 short. We got over 1,000, which is crazy for this channel. Thank you to all the people that found that video and subscribed. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.